Hi folks, Kevin, Carol, there is a cat, and the full arm slide. You'll be happy to hear that the half arm slide is the second half of the full. Okay, so arm slide. Let me show you. Yeah, I'll do it from here and I'm going to flip it once. So here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. Let me do that again from this side. Why not? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. Okay, there's really nothing particularly hard with this move, or this pattern, except that your triple steps need to be tight, tiny, okay? If you're not, you will run out of arm very quickly, and this is actually a good drill just to make sure you are keeping your triple steps under control. It starts off with this great big move, okay, where I'm basically going to loop, well, it's like 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this hand loops behind my head, this hand loops behind her hand, head. This hand loops behind my head, this hand loops behind her head. There we go. Once again, for the people that, there's a height difference, this is an illusion, okay? So ladies, even, guys, even if you're not gonna be able to get her arm up there, it doesn't matter. You kind of like throw it there in the general direction. So like, let me do it like from here. So 1, 2, see, I'm letting it go. I'm putting it up here, but then it's gone. It's out of my hand, okay? And then, the whole goal here is we end up with our hands on each other's shoulders. Okay. So yeah, the 1, 2, 3 is 1, 2, 3. Okay. So that's, and your shoulders should be more or less parallel. All right. And then comes the tiny triples. Let me put Carol's back mostly to the camera here. So there's basically 2 sets of triples, okay? And the whole goal here is to move away from each other slightly. And also no eye contact here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? So this is good, okay? And in fact, it's nice that we're kind of like at each other's elbows, because what we're gonna do now is we're gonna turn on the 1, 2, 1, 2, okay? And you notice we're in handshake. Glad to meet you. So this is now the second half of the arm slide, okay, which is the part that you've learned. Once again, tiny triples. Rock step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. Okay, let me do that again. No pausing this time. Really slow. So rock, step, tiny steps, tiny steps. Look at each other. 1, 2, tiny steps. Round you go. Rock, step. Now it's interesting. It's kind of like I do the first bit of traveling. Let me put Carol's back to the camera again. So the lady's just going to go rock forward, rock back and forward. I'm going to rock back, but when I go forward, it's going to be a little bit to the side. So 1, 2, 3. So I have enough of that separation. Like I said, you should, if you can't reach each other's shoulder, you're too far apart. Okay. In fact, actually, it should probably be like the small of their back. Can you get there? Yeah, she can get there. Okay. Because this is what makes the arm slide. Oh, needless to say, when you're now separating from each other, don't let your arm flop down. Okay, so here's 3, 4, sorry, 5 and 6. 1, 2. Let me do it again, nice and slow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. Okay. Like I said, at 6. At 6, you should be elbow on elbow. Okay, roughly. Yeah, roughly, ish. Okay. And then go
then
ahead.
you turn on one.
And then you turn on one. Yeah. Let me put my back to the camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. Okay. Tiny triples. Small. Okay. That way you can slide into